What is happening? Good afternoon, y'all. Well, here we go again. Groundhog time. Nature time. Let's do it. There's the groundhog, y'all. I put the chips. There's chip right there. Mexican tortilla chip. Another half of one. Another one on top of there. And then right here on another exit. Our little entrance. Check them out though, yo. It's an adult. Looks pretty big. So I think he's trying to get the chips, but since I'm standing here, maybe, so I know it's smelling the corn flour on it, the corn, because they're made out of corn. So, yeah, this one's pretty big, y'all. So look at that. There it goes, y'all. It's right there. Look at that. Pretty cool, huh, you guys? Look at that. It's pretty big. I'm just backing away, y'all, because it might attack me or something. But it's very alert. Look at that, y'all. See him? He's right there. Look at that. Whoa. See, it wanted to attack me, yo. So they got big old teeth, yo. See, it's right there. She was trying to dip, yo. So you see him? He's right there. He's right there. Right where my finger is, right there, look. Right there. See, there it goes, y'all. There it goes, right there. Run into the sewer. Right there. Hey, look, y'all. There it goes. Right down there. Right there. Right through the fence, look. Right there. Well, there you go, folks. There you go, folks. Now that's banging.